Hello students, let's start our new chapter which is called Random Variable and Mathematical Expectation. Random variables are the variables which come from the random experiments, okay? And mathematical expectation we will study afterward. Let's first know what is random variable. So the random variables comes from the random experiment. As you know what is random experiment. The characteristic of random experiment is that it has at least two outcomes or the outcomes cannot be predicted in advance, though we know the all possible outcomes. Okay. So the variables come from the random experiment are called random variable. I am showing you one example. Tossing a coin twice, what we get? Head, head, tail, head, head, tail, and tail, tail. These are the all possible outcome. It is a random experiment. If x denotes number of heads, okay, if x denotes number of heads, so x can takes values what? 0 head, 1 head or 2 head. Okay, 0 head means tail, tail, 1 head means this one is 1 head, and this is 2 head. So the x is a random variable which can takes value. If x denote number of heads, then it takes value 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is x is called a random variable because it comes from the random experiment. So hope it is clear what is random variable. Now let's come to the random variable type. These are two type of random variable. One is continuous random variable and other one is discrete random variable. Okay, continuous random variable is where the variables are in continuous frame. It is also called the measured random variable. Suppose we want to find the height of the students, okay, height of the student in India. So it lies between x, here x lies between 3 to 6 feet. So it is a continuous random variable. We didn't get the discrete value, here we get the value in a range, so it is called continuous random variable. Now look here, discrete random variable. Discrete means we will get a discrete values. Okay, if we throw two dice at a time and note the sum of numbers, okay, which turn up on the upper face, then it is a discrete variable because we will get 2, 1 plus 1. If we get 1 number on both the dice, so it will be 2, or we get 3, that means 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 or 4, like this. So this is a discrete random variable. Okay. Now here in this chapter we will study the probability functions. So the probability function of the continuous random variable are called probability density function. Okay, it is a continuous probability distribution. So probability function of a continuous random variable are called probability density function. In symbolically we can write P dot D dot F, PDF. Okay, and the probability function of a discrete random variable are called probability mass function. So discrete probability distribution is also called probability mass function, and continuous probability distribution is also called probability density function. It is denoted by PDF and it is denoted by symbolically we will write PMF. So hope it is clear. From the continuous random variables we get continuous probability distribution. From the discrete random variable we get discrete probability distribution. Then again this is a continuous distribution function and discrete distribution function. Distribution function is here it is not probability distribution, it is a distribution function. It is the cumulative of this function. Okay, probability density function, if we do the cumulative of the probability density function we will get distribution function. So under this heading we get continuous distribution function and here we get discrete distribution function. So always remember the distribution function, when we say about distribution function it is a cumulative of the probability function. Okay, cumulative of different probability of a discrete random variable is called discrete distribution function. Later on we will study this topic separately. Okay, I am giving a rough idea about this chapter, what are there in this chapter. So once again I am repeating, random variables comes from the random experiments. These are of two types, one is discrete and continuous random variable, and the probability function of continuous random variable is called probability density function, and probability function of a discrete random variable are called probability mass function, and cumulative of this probability density function is called distribution function, continuous distribution function, and here it is called discrete distribution function. So always remember, when we say about distribution function, it is a cumulative of probability function. Okay. Now let's come to the mathematical expectation. What is mathematical expectation? Just now you learned that x is a random variable. No? X is a random variable. Now if we find mathematical expectation, means find this expectation of x. It is denoted by summation of x px. Px means different values of x and different values of this. Okay, px. So expectation of x is not the expected value of x, it is the mean of this random variable. For general variable we denote mean in this way, na? X bar is the mean of the general variable, but here if x is a random variable, then mean is denoted in this way. This is the mean of the random variable. Okay, and variance will be denoted in this way. Variance is equal to this. Variance of the random variable, it is denoted in this way. If there are two random variables, then covariance will be denoted in this way. Okay, if an x and y are the two random variables. So mathematical expectation is defined in this way, that if x is a random variable, okay, then expectation of x is equal to summation of x px, means different values. Just now you know the different values of x. X can take different values, that is 0, 1, 2. Just now I shown. So the probability of x, when x is equal to 0, what will be the probability of x? That means 0 means no head. No head means 1 by 4. The probability is 1 by 4. 2 head, we will get 2 by 4. 1 head 2 by 4 and 2 head 1 by 4. So this is the probability. This is called the probability distribution. Okay. So if expectation of x means summation of x px, this is your x value, this is your px value. So you multiply it and then take the summation. So it is your expected, that means the expectation of x value or the mean value of the random variable x. So hope you get the idea of this topic. So we will study next things, that means probability density function or probability mass function in our next video. Thank you.